right now. If you are playing Garden Horizons, then you need to watch this video because today I'm going to show you all the newest working codes for 2026 that you can redeem inside the game. These codes are giving free rewards, free items, and exclusive bonuses, and they are working right now. So don't skip, don't fast forward, and stay until the end because you might miss something important. Here we are, guys. Right now we are inside Garden Horizons. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the newest working codes that you can redeem in Garden Horizons for 2026. The game has just released, and there are already so many awesome codes available to claim. I have a huge list of working codes to go through today, so make sure you watch the entire video. Before we jump into the codes, I'm going to start with a special giveaway. You guys can win anything from the shop. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment your Roblox username below, tell me what item you want. If you win, I will gift it to you. I have over 4 million Robux ready for giveaways, so make sure you join if you don't want to miss your chance. Alright guys, now let's redeem the codes. If you don't know how to redeem codes in Garden Horizons, here's what you need to do. Go to the top left corner, click the settings button, scroll down, find the code box, enter the codes one by one. Remember, the codes are in random order, so make sure you try every single one. Now let's get into all the working codes right now.